Hi friends, today is Monday and I was hoping we could do a problem together before we got started. So in my reading group I have Jada, and Jada is so kind and so sweet, and I was thinking that she was going on a walk because it's been raining a lot and she was collecting some flowers. So she collected 9 flowers and then her friend gave her 4 yellow flowers. So I was wondering, how many flowers does Jada have now? And I was hoping that you guys could help us out with this. So now I'm going to read that exact same question, and it's the same question that you're going to see on your work. So it says, Jada had 9 green flowers. Her friend gave her 4 yellow flowers. How many flowers does Jada have now? I'll read it again. Jada has had 9 green flowers. Her friend gave her 4 yellow flowers. How many flowers did Jada have now? You guys could make a tape diagram to talk about the green flowers and the yellow flowers. You could draw circles to talk about the green flowers and the yellow flowers, or you could write an equation, taking 1 from 4 to make a 10. So I want you to use one of these resources whenever you do your work, and I want you to draw it on this slide. Then we'll get started with today's lesson.